Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Stinger base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 2.0L inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and clock, analog. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.